today is art day and I want you to have fun.
We're using foil, paint, and construction paper.
Hi everyone, are you guys ready to have fun with us?
Start by cutting a piece of foil.
I know you all already know how to paint, but today she's gonna teach us a new method of how to make a beautiful creation of art.
We're gonna start by pouring paint on the foil. What colors we have?
We have yellow and red. They kind of look like mustard and ketchup. Yeah, but where are our brushes?
Guess what? The only tool we are using today is our finger. Hey friend, is your finger ready?
My favorite shape is a triangle because it reminds me of the pyramid from Egypt.
Excuse me. I'm white.
Look at that! Look at that! So cool! Like rainbow. You see it? Like right there. Oh my god, that one too. It looks so cool.
Number 1. And we make one circle. Number 2. Make another circle. And this is number 3. And we make another circle. Now we have 1, 2, and 3 circles. Once you finish having fun, get your construction paper or your regular paper. Now you're gonna place the paper on the foil. Be very careful, okay? You're gonna pat side to side. Be very gentle, okay? Once you're ready, remove the construction paper from the foil. Very careful.
Wow! How cool!
Now we can decorate our fridge with this beautiful piece of art. Now our art is finished. It's time to let it dry. That was
You're
fun.
gonna eat your vegetables and wash your hands.
See you on circle time.